Good morning, everybody. Today we are here as the last to go through the last sprint finish to CLAT 2020. As we are approaching, normally every year what we do is we have a huge gathering and we all our students come together and we share ideas, share doubts. Students ask doubts and then we share strategies on how to overcome things, your fears, or what are the last minute preparation that you need to do towards the exam. Now, this year we've had a very interesting times. We've had a lot of online sessions. We've had the lockdown for the last few months, and the exam itself, there have been multiple changes. The pattern has changed. The dates have changed multiple times, and yet the clarity is yet to emerge. We are going to get it soon. In the next 10 days, we'll know when the exam is going to be. But this situation actually gives us a wonderful opportunity to interact, maybe not in person or in real time or face to face, but then the other good thing about it is we are able to interact and clear doubts with a wider set of audience who are preparing across. To welcome to all the students, CLAT aspirants, parents, and all those who are joined us today for this sprint finish to CLAT 2020. So as you can see, me and my co-host is Naresh. I'm the director of Law Prep at Abhyas, and our co-founder and a founder for Abhyas Technologies, Mr. Naresh Dubudu, is also here with us today. So Naresh, do you want to say a few words to welcome? Okay. Naresh will be joining in 2 minutes. He'll be getting live.
Hello, Padma. Thank you for the introduction. And I think this being the first session, when multiple of us are doing this session, I can sense our tech team is trying to kind of doodle with it and handle it. And we have done one session, one Facebook Live earlier, but I think it was a single speaker. Firstly, good morning to all our student friends and any other new friends also. I hope you're audible. So please keep typing and if you're audible, etc. And today Padma has put together a very beautiful presentation. We are really not going to present, but we believe it's an open house. And like Padma said just now, this year is very, very challenging and at the same time great opportunity for us at Law Prep and for all of you as students also. So today, through the next 1.5 hours or so, we will try to kind of take as many questions as we can from all of you, because each one of you, when we do sessions, I'm your GK teacher, Padma ma'am is your legal teacher. Whenever we do, I'm sure you keep asking about sectional strategy. How do we handle this? How do we handle that? We thought, why not we kind of do this open house in a broad manner. Every year we call this boot camp. We do it in a physical form. This time we are all challenged because of the corona crisis. We are not able to meet all of you at one place. Usually when we do this, we usually have to take a big banquet hall and we have 300, 400 students all at one place. It used to be a mela. It used to be a great gala event and we used to have loads of fun. And I hope while we are not able to completely reconstruct the same year, we hope part of it is reconstructed in this way. And you kind of go back today after the session with some useful tips, tricks, and any concerns you would have had. You would have got some answers on how to kind of use the last 1 month, 1.5 month, 30 days or so in the sprint finish towards CLAT 2020. That's a broad thing that we are aiming to do. And Padma asked me to give my introduction comments, so this is what I would want to say. So I'll kind of toss it back to Padma then to kind of take the session forward.
So the agenda for today, we are going to cover, we'll just first talk a little bit about the change in the pattern. We've had a lot of discussions about the change in pattern, but we'll just quickly, recap that for a minute. And then what we will do is we will look at what is the strategy that we need to adopt. Firstly, overall, across all sections, what are the different uh, aspects to keep in mind as you are in the exam, for while you're attempting the exam, what you need to do, as well as also about what you need to do in the last 1 month towards your preparation in each of these areas, more with respect to the time, with respect to the accuracy. How do you ensure that you're going to get the best out of the available time? So that's going to be the main focus of today's session. But while we do this, we would like to do this more in a question and answer format rather than a monologue from our side. So we would like to encourage you as much as possible. Feel free to ask all your questions, all your doubts. Don't hesitate. And we are here to help you. We are here to guide you, and we'll go forward on this. Okay.
Padma, to interject you. So I see some of our students have already started asking some beautiful questions. Ajinkya says he's happy that we at least have fun, at least interacting now. Thank you, Ajinkya. And Indrajit says, this is specifically about GK, but I think because there's a question I'm thinking we'll answer it even before we go to the presentation with you. Yeah. So Indrajit is asking about news boards, right? He's asking, should we kind of focus on news boards and read it? Is it sufficient, and should we do more research? Indrajit, like we always said at our GK classes, and even for other friends who are joining us from outside ALP also, please understand GK is not an area which has a limited scope, right? It doesn't have a specific syllabus. So what happens is the news board that is given to you is to give you an idea of what all areas you need to kind of read about, you should know about. But your research should definitely not stop there. For example, in news board that is given to you, all the last 12 months, 15 months news board that are available to you, you take a specific item, you take a specific news item, you kind of read the salient features that are given to you. Please go and try to kind of get curiosity, inquisitiveness towards knowing more about that. If you do that kind of search, you will do great. That is what I would say, Indrajit, and probably we'll take more questions as per whenever the GK section